Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have Norlii. I love decor boxes, so let's get into it and see what it has for us. This box is sent to us for review, but because we review it, we have a code, McCarty15, that will get you $15 off your first box. I will put the link down below so you can go over and check it out. I will admit, I saw one spoiler for this and I am super duper excited about it because the items that we get in this box are always such quality and I always go to immediately using them, and I knew I would with these too. This is our paperwork that is on top, and when we open the box, it's just a big filled box. It has our little Norlii paper on top. I was a little worried, and we'll see what's happening, but it looks okay. The back of my box came kind of, can you guys see, it's kind of banged up and cut. Not because of Norlii, because of my mail system, but it made me a little bit nervous. It seems so far like everything is okay. This is another one of those months where our goodies come in a big bag. I'm trying to get it out without pulling all of the peanuts with it. Whew. Okay, we got it. So when we get it out, we have this wonderful, like I said, Santa sack of goodies that says Norlii on the front of it. Let's just dig in. I know one of the things. I don't know what everything else is, but I'm so excited. But this is always such a nice box. And what I love about it is it's Hygge, which is especially nice in the fall and the winter. It's decor, but it's decor without being cluttered. But it's still warm. There's something about it that's very streamlined and, like I said, non-cluttering. But something else about it that's just, it's just functional but beautiful, and it's like a warm hug. I like it very much. So what we have, I love how they use in the packaging, we have one of our products holding other products. Let's unwrap this and see what we have here. This is, oh, these are placemats, I'd say. We will look in a second, but I think they are placemats. Glasses time. They are Danish design Ecotex from Sedal. And this box ships from Denmark, so it is a Danish box. And it says, actually, let me read you this because it will describe it way better than I ever thought about. Hygge is a cherished cultural concept in Scandinavia that embodies the essence of coziness, comfort, and contentment. It's a way of living that emphasizes the importance of finding joy and warmth in simple pleasures and everyday moments. Perfect. For Scandinavians, Hygge is more than just a lifestyle choice. It's a vital part of their identity that promotes well-being and relaxation. Particularly during the long cold months, Hygge plays a crucial role in creating warm and inviting spaces, allowing individuals to embrace the season with optimism and tranquility. This is the Statement Stripe placemats. Come in a set of 2 featuring classic broad stripes, perfect for everyday dining, made from a blend of cotton and jute that have a rustic charm and are Ecotex certified. A simple wipe keeps them clean and looking elegant. So I think it's kind of a, I wanted to say it was black, but now that I'm looking at it, it seems like it's maybe more of a mocha color. I really like the way that looks. I have actually just bought a couple of plants recently, and I have them on a tray. I was hesitant. You know what? I think it's a Norlii tray that I was hesitant to keep them on because I was afraid I would get the wet on the tray. And I think because it is smaller, I'm going to fold one of these in half and use it as the base for the plant, and it's going to be very pretty. I will take a picture and put it at the end if I do that before I put this up. Next out, we have, I think, a couple of different candle holders from Singles. This one says Singles Candlestick, and so does this one. So let's get into them and check them out. Candlesticks are perfect for winter. I burn candles, well, I used to burn candles year round. Now I usually use my candle warmer. I am going to guess that because of the size of this, it is for tapered candles. And those I generally only burn this time of year. All right, we have 2 sizes, and they are for taper candles. These are gonna look so pretty together. This one leans more gray. They are metal, so they will be very difficult for me to break. They're very heavy though. This one says we don't have to be the same as long as we have one thing in common. We light up a room. I'm gonna take, so you can see that candles are gonna fit right down in there. And we also have, and I'm going to bet, probably shouldn't bet, but I'm betting these are candles. We have 2 cream tapered candles, probably 9-inch if I were guessing. They fit perfectly into our new candle holders. Very pretty, right? They might look nice back there, especially this one. But those are so pretty. Let's see what the paperwork says. Illuminate your space with ultra simple candle holders from Zone, Denmark. Made from matte lacquered metal, they offer a striking contrast and practical design to catch wax and remove stubs easily, embodying that Nordic elegance. And then it says complete the ambiance with complimentary moonlight haze candles from Brost, Copenhagen. They are known for their quality candles and use refined paraffin wax and pure cotton wicks. The candles are tested for safety and crafted without palm oil. Always ensure candle safety, never leave unattended. So I love, here, let's set this back here and see how this looks. I really like the way these look. I am utilitarian. I think I said with the last box, I find myself lately really leaning more towards the streamlined. I think that looks kind of pretty back there. I feel like I want something right here. What would I put right between them? I think I'm gonna leave those there. Is it weird that, I really like symmetrical? We'll think about that. And last out, and I'm gonna take a minute and unwrap these. This is what I knew about in the box. This is definitely the piece de resistance with this box. Let me get this unwrapped. Are you ready? Is this not spectacular? We have two. Two of the cups, two of the saucers. They are gorgeous. I saw these in the spoiler and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I so get this box. First, we'll start with a saucer, which you could use for anything because they haven't made it like a saucer. It doesn't have the divot in the middle. So can't you just see at a party putting a little hors d'oeuvres on it? Or, I mean, there's so many things you could use this for. If you did crackers with soup and you could, this is just gorgeous. It's about the size of my hand. Well, there's my hand behind it, so just my little fingers stick up. It is absolutely, see how the top kind of bows in? It's a gorgeous kind of gray color with a more natural brownish colored top. Like I said, we have two. I love that these shipped all the way from Denmark. They pack them so well that even with my banged, ripped box, I got them perfectly. Let's see what they tell us about them. Experience the warmth and comfort of the Norlii box, crafted to envelop you in serenity. At its core are two elegant soup bowls with handles plus saucers by brand Lene Beger. I'm probably saying that wrong and I do apologize. Discover the gray stoneware cup and saucer that bring joy and charm to your table with soothing colors in organic shapes. That's so pretty. Part of the Amera series, each piece is uniquely glazed, ensuring no two are alike. Use them for soup or hot chocolate and everything in between. Yeah, I can see myself having some coffee in this, like a nice latte. That would hold such a broad expanse of my foam that I would like that a lot. Instead of going deep, it would go broad, which it just means it lasts a little longer. And I like that. These are they slightly different? They are. Just slightly. I mean, they're definitely a matched pair. You know what I mean? You wouldn't have them on the table and think, oh, well, that's off. But it is just different enough. And I love that they've given it that darker rim just for the contrast. That makes it so elegant. It hand holds nicely. I love these. I'm telling you, I saw the spoiler and I was like, oh, I really hope I get that. If I don't get it, I should definitely order it because I wanted these. These are maybe one of my favorite things I've ever gotten in a subscription box. In all fairness, I have a slight cup issue, one bowl issue, and this is kind of like a cuppy bowl. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And Norlii has a shop, and if I were a guessing girl, I would bet that they have some pieces that match this over in the shop. Okay. That was our Norlii box. Again, they do send it for review, but because they do that, I have a McCarty15 discount code that will get you $15 off your first box. I will put my link down below. There's our paperwork that explains to you about Norlii, about Hygge. I love this box. I love the decor. I love the quality of the items that they choose. It's one of my faves. Thanks again for coming by. I hope you will consider subscribing if you don't already subscribe. Give us a thumbs up to help us out there in the algorithms, and I will see you again soon. Take care, guys.